Hi, this is Eric with Stepcraft, and today we're actually on a mission. We are looking for a gift to give our children's teachers, and my wife had an idea if we could try to find a cutting board. Maybe we could use the Stepcraft machine to personalize it for the teachers. She said she saw some at the local TJ Maxx, so I'm heading over there now, and we'll see what we could find. Okay, here we are at TJ Maxx. Let's go take a look at the store and see what we can find. Hopefully we can find a nice cutting board that doesn't have any markings or anything on it. I'm guessing we are looking for the houseware section. So let's see what we can find here. I don't shop at this store that often, so it might take us a few minutes to find what we're looking for. Definitely slim pickings here. It looks like the shelves have been ransacked. As you can see, everything is kind of all over the place. We're going to keep walking and not giving up yet. I'm sure we'll find something that we could personalize. It would make a good gift for the teacher. This one here, this is kind of nice. It's actually a cheese cutting board. I took it out of the box. It's nice, solid wood surface, and it has tools for cutting cheese inside of it. So this will actually be perfect since there's no imprint on the wood. We could easily engrave the teacher's last name right on the surface here. So I think that is going to be what we're going to go after here. Okay, we're all checked out here after waiting in kind of a crazy line. Gonna jump back in the truck and head over to the office and let's get this thing personalized. All right, so we're back at the office here. We're gonna go inside, take this cutting board out of the box and figure out what we're going to do. Okay, so we're using Photoshop here, and I created a file that's 3.5 by 1.25 inches tall, and I have chosen a font here that I like. It's kind of scripty, and typed out the teacher's name, sized it into the box area, and I'm going to save this now as a JPEG and then bring it over to UC-CNC, get it converted to run the laser. Okay, so I need to measure the center and make a mark, which I already did. So that is where we're gonna align the machine. What I did here as well is I put down one of our rubber pads, and what that'll do is that'll hold the cutting board in place and won't let it move while it's being lasered. Now what I need to do is, you see there's cross grains on the wood, so I want to align the cross grain so that it's even with the gantry, so that when we laser the letters they're parallel with the grain here on the wood. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to come over here to UC-CNC, and we are going to load the file. Okay, there's the teacher's name. The width in millimeters is 88.9, and all we're going to do is hit this button. It says create G-code and send to UC-CNC, and we're going to minimize the plugin. All I have to do at this point is center the laser on this dot and then start the job. Okay, this is all centered and the file is all set, so all we got to do right now is hit cycle start, and away it goes. It's going to go ahead and go back and forth. I'm running at a relatively slow speed so I get a deeper burn. I want the letters to be pretty dark, so we'll come back in a few minutes and see how it's going. Alright, and there we go. It's all set. Nice personalized cheese cutting board. Happy holidays, everybody.